Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace these windshield wiper blades on my 2019 Golf R. The driver's side blade is 26 inches, the passenger side is 18 inches. First we need to put these into service position because you can't lift the wiper arm up since it'll hit the hood. So I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, I'm inside the vehicle. Make sure you have your key fob with you. Turn the ignition on and turn it off. And then hold down the lever here and the wiper blades go right up into the service position. Now we can easily lift the wiper arm up and remove the blade. To do that, you push this square button in right here and lift up on the wiper blade and it'll come right out of the wiper arm. That's what the blade looks like. And that's what the wiper arm looks like right there. Now be very, very careful. This wiper arm is spring loaded. You don't want it to come flying down and potentially cracking or chipping the windshield there. So be aware of that. Then simply take your new blade, slide it in till it clicks, and that's it. Same thing for this side. Okay, I'm back in the vehicle. Let's turn the ignition on. Then all you need to do is move this wiper lever down and the wiper arms go back down into the resting position. Shut the ignition off. That's it for in here. Okay, now for the rear wiper blade. This is even easier in my opinion. This is an 11-inch blade. Lift the wiper arm up. You can see here, same as up front in the push button style here. You push in here and pull the blade right out. Again, be careful guys, this is also spring loaded. Although it's plastic, still, you don't want to chance it. It could potentially, crack or chip your hatch glass there, so be careful. So grab your new blade and simply push it back in until it stops, just like that. That's it, that completes it. Alright guys, that completes this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked it. Please check out the description, please subscribe. See you in the next one, take care.